welcome back to Dry Future. Today we are diving deep into a classic that has been lovingly reimagined for modern enthusiasts, the all-new Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback. This car isn't just a nostalgic throwback, it's a perfect blend of vintage charm, innovative engineering, and contemporary features that make it stand out in today's automotive world. From its iconic silhouette to the driving experience it offers, the Type 3 Fastback is a car that appeals to collectors, everyday drivers, and anyone who appreciates automotive history brought to life with modern technology. Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback immediately grabs attention with its clean, sleek lines and the timeless appeal that made the original Type 3 such a hit back in the 1960s. The body is unmistakably fastback, with a smoothly sloping rear roof line that extends gracefully to the rear bumper, giving it a sporty yet elegant profile. Every curve and contour has been meticulously refined to honor the heritage of Volkswagen design while incorporating subtle modern touches. The paint finishes are vivid and high quality, offering a range of classic and contemporary colors from deep metallic blues and greens to minimalist whites and silvers, each highlighting the car's retro-modern textures. Step inside, and the cabin of the Type 3 Fastback reveals Volkswagen's dedication to marrying vintage style with modern comfort. The interior maintains the clean, minimalist lines reminiscent of the original Type 3, yet it now features high-quality materials that rival today's. Soft-touch surfaces, brushed metal accents, and perfectly stitched leather or high-end fabric upholstery create a tactile experience that feels both nostalgic and contemporary. The dashboard keeps the classic round-gauge cluster design but upgrades it with a modern digital interface that provides all the information a driver needs while preserving. Controls are intuitively placed, and the steering wheel, while carrying the iconic VW emblem, now includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and connectivity features, allowing drivers to enjoy modern convenience without losing the car's heritage charm. Technology in the Type 3 Fastback is where nostalgia, while the exterior and interior respect the classic styling. The car includes features expected in 2026. A state-of-the-art infotainment system sits at the center of the dashboard, featuring a crisp touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. A premium sound system transforms every drive into a concert-like experience, while advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking ensure safety on modern roads. It's a car that looks classic but drives with the intelligence of a contemporary vehicle, offering peace of mind along with style today. Under the hood, the Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback has seen a thoughtful update in powertrain options. While keeping the spirit of the air-cooled engines that made the original famous, the modern iteration introduces efficient, performance-oriented powertrains that balance responsiveness with eco-conscious engineering. The base model features a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing smooth and lively power, while a higher performance variant caters to enthusiasts seeking more aggressive acceleration and a sportier driving experience. UX transmission options include a refined manual gearbox for purists who love the tactile engagement of shifting gears, and an optional automatic for those who prefer effortless cruising. The rear-engine, rear-wheel drive layout has been meticulously tuned to deliver precise handling and balanced weight distribution, maintaining the driving dynamics that Volkswagen fans have loved for decades. Driving the Type 3 Fastback is a journey in itself. The car offers an engaging experience with responsive steering, composed suspension, and a sense of connection between driver and machine. Whether cruising through city streets, enjoying winding country roads, or tackling the highway, the Fastback maintains its composure and delivers a ride that is both comfortable and spirited. Inside, road noise is minimized, and vibrations are carefully managed so passengers enjoy a serene cabin experience even at higher speeds. It's a car that encourages you to enjoy every moment behind the wheel, reconnecting drivers with the simple joys of motoring while delivering all the benefits of modern automotive engineering. Another standout feature of the Type 3 Fastback is its practicality. Despite being a compact, stylish vehicle, it offers a surprising amount of interior space. The rear seats fold down easily, expanding cargo capacity and making it versatile for daily use or weekend getaways. Front seats are aerodynamically designed for comfort on long drives, and the cabin layout ensures that all occupants enjoy ample headroom and legroom. Even though it carries a retro-inspired design, Volkswagen has ensured that the Type 3 Fastback meets modern expectations for comfort and functionality. making it a realistic choice for those who need more than just style. One of the most appealing aspects of the Type 3 Fastback is its statement-making design. On the road, it turns heads with its unique silhouette, distinctive headlights, and clean lines. The classic VW badge proudly sits at the front, reminding everyone of the brand's rich history, while subtle modern touches like LED lighting and contemporary alloy wheels bring it firmly into the present. It's a car that appeals not only to vintage car enthusiasts, but also to anyone who values individuality and personality in their vehicle. In terms of ownership experience, Volkswagen has also ensured that the Type 3 Fastback is practical to maintain. With a combination of robust engineering, quality materials, and accessible service networks, owners can enjoy the car for years to come, without excessive upkeep costs. Volkswagen offers a range of customization options, from exterior colors and wheel designs to interior finishes and tech packages, allowing buyers to create a Type 3 Fastback that is uniquely theirs. Yes. This attention to detail, combined with its timeless appeal and modern engineering, positions the Type 3 Fastback as a car that is not just driven but cherished. In conclusion, the new Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback is a remarkable blend of past and present. It honors the legacy of the original with its classic styling, rear-engine dynamics, and nostalgic design cues, while embracing modern technology, comfort, and performance that make it relevant in today's automotive landscape. Whether you are a collector, a vintage car enthusiast, or someone who appreciates a car that is stylish, practical, and fun to drive, the Type 3 Fastback offers something truly special. It's a car that proves Volkswagen's ability to innovate while staying true to its roots, delivering a driving experience that is as engaging as it is memorable style. It's a car that proves Volkswagen's ability to innovate while staying true to its roots, delivering a driving experience that is as engaging as it is memorable style, instilling to speed, and starting speeding is as engaging as it is memorable. So if you're looking for a vehicle that combines retro charm, modern technology, and a driving experience that connects you to the road, the Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback is a must-see. From its sleek exterior to its thoughtfully designed interior and responsive performance, this car is a statement of style, engineering, interior, and responsive performance. Stay tuned to Drive Future for more in-depth reviews, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive explorations. The Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback isn't just a car, it's a celebration of everything that makes driving fun, exciting,